Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dressing salad from oil and vinegar. First, gather your essential ingredients. A good quality oil, such as extra virgin olive oil, and a complementary vinegar, like red wine or balsamic. Next, prepare your mixing bowl and a whisk or fork. We'll then discuss the ideal ratio to ensure your dressing is neither too acidic nor too oily, creating a perfect base for any salad. The golden rule for a balanced vinaigrette is a 3-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar. For example, use 3 tablespoons of olive oil for every 1 tablespoon of vinegar. High-quality extra virgin olive oil provides a wonderful foundation with its robust flavor. For the vinegar, red wine vinegar offers a classic tang, while balsamic adds sweetness, and apple cider vinegar brings a lighter, fruitier note. To elevate your dressing, season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. A small amount of Dijon mustard acts as a natural emulsifier, helping the oil and vinegar combine smoothly. Whisking continuously and vigorously is key to creating a stable emulsion, preventing the dressing from separating quickly. Consider adding minced garlic, shallots, or fresh herbs like parsley or dill for extra layers of flavor. Once prepared, store your delicious homemade dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days. Feel free to experiment with different oils, such as avocado or walnut, or add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.